Welcome to Navadisha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down BPE, an essential LLM concept. So, what is BPE? Byte Pair Encoding builds a vocabulary by iteratively merging the most frequent character pairs. This is one of the core ideas in LLM that every developer should know. Here are the key things to know about BPE. Point 1. Unsupervised subword segmentation. Point 2. Handles OOV words via subwords. Point 3. Merge. Rules learned from corpus. Point 4. GPT-2/3 use BPE variant. Point 5. Efficient for mixed language. Corpora. And that is BPE explained. Subscribe to Navadisha for a new LLM concept every single day. See you tomorrow.